Okay, here is a 2012 Kia Forte sedan. It needs a windshield. There's the crack. I don't know if you can see it or not. There you go. First step is to remove the molding around the windshield, along with removing the shield that actually protects the wiper motor. The cow, right where the cow is on the car. What's the name of that tool that you're using?
Cold knife.
The cold knife?
Yeah.
And that actually separates the bead from the windshield?
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Just hooking the wire under to catch the window lining of the bead. So
right on the bottom, right?
Yeah, when I pull on it, it should just come down and start cutting the bead.
Oh, I got
That's
you.
just what you call seesaw it down like that. And then I stop.
So
I check it and I reposition the wires so not to damage your cow. And no form.
oh, the dash or anything like that?
Dash, yeah.
Yeah. I got you. So you just basically you seesaw it until it
It cuts.
yeah.
Until the string come out and meet me.
That's pretty interesting. That's really cool. Wow. Did a good third of it already. Out goes the windshield. So here's the perimeter. It's all nice and clean. Yeah, this has to be trimmed down.
Yeah, you want to leave some up there because it bonds better
Right.
with the new placement, so you'll never want to cut it all the way off.
That's the piece. Okay. Interesting.
Area, you want to decontaminate this area so you can have a fresh, clean area to activate.
This is a monoless cleaner.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty cool. And you just spray the whole perimeter, and that actually preps it for the new glue.
Yeah, so now it's just nice and clean.
Cool.
This is called Activator Pro.
Oh,
What
okay.
you do is it activates the chemicals. So right now it's activating. It takes about 10 minutes to fully activate.
So it kind of breaks down the rubber.
No, it gets ready for the application of the urethane. So
Oh,
it's like
okay.
a pancake. So I'm gonna actually also put this on the windshield too.
Yeah.
There's gonna be windshield on the top and activator on the bottom as well. So that
All
way,
right.
when they both touch the glue, they both got a serious bond.
Oh, almost like when you do laminate countertops and stuff like that. Yeah.
That's how it is. And
Cool.
in 45 minutes, me or you couldn't kick that window out without breaking it. That's how strong it is.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, you can do it now.
Okay, applying the urethane to the perimeter of the window. Here's a glass. It's all set up, ready to go. And that's the installation of a windshield. And this is why you want to use a professional. Look at that bead. I mean, I'm a carpenter. I've been a carpenter for many years, but this is like phenomenal. It's so cool. So here's the finished product. Windshield's in. Everything works perfectly. This is the person that put the vehicle in. His name is Amos Terry. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.